Have you ever wondered what would happen if you made a commitment to ride an exercise bike for just 30 minutes a day? Would it actually change your life, or is it just another overhyped fitness trend? Let me tell you, this simple daily habit has the potential to transform your body, boost your mental well-being, and significantly improve your overall health. It's more than just spinning your wheels. Riding an exercise bike every day can be the key to unlocking a stronger, healthier, and happier version of yourself. Let's dive deep into the details and explore exactly what happens to your body when you embrace this habit. First, let's talk about one of the most vital parts of your body, your heart. Your heart is a muscle, and just like any other muscle, it gets stronger when you work it. Riding an exercise bike is an excellent cardiovascular workout, meaning it makes your heart work harder to pump blood throughout your body. When you pedal, your heart rate increases, improving your circulation. Over time, this daily effort strengthens your heart, making it more efficient. A stronger heart means it doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood, which is why you'll likely notice a drop in your resting heart rate after a few weeks of consistent cycling. This is a clear sign of improved cardiovascular health, and it's not just about feeling better in the moment, it significantly reduces your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious health conditions in the long term. But the benefits don't stop with your heart. Cycling also gives your lungs a workout. Every time you pedal, your breathing becomes more regulated, and your lungs work harder to take in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. Over time, your lungs become more efficient at processing oxygen, which means more oxygen-rich blood is delivered to your muscles. This not only enhances your endurance, but also helps you feel less winded during everyday activities like climbing stairs or carrying groceries. It's like giving your entire body an energy upgrade. Now, let's move on to one of the most popular reasons people start cycling: weight management and calorie burn. A 30-minute ride on an exercise bike can burn anywhere from 200 to 600 calories, depending on your weight, intensity, and resistance level. That's a significant amount for such a short workout. But here's where it gets even better. Regular cycling doesn't just burn calories while you're pedaling. It also boosts your resting metabolic rate. This means your body becomes more efficient at burning calories even when you're not working out. Over time, this creates a calorie deficit that can lead to weight loss or help you maintain a healthy weight. Combine this with a balanced diet, and you'll start to see a leaner, more toned version of yourself in the mirror. Speaking of toning, let's talk about what cycling does for your muscles. It's not just a cardio workout, it's also a fantastic way to build strength, especially in your lower body. Each pedal stroke engages your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, working these major muscle groups in a low-impact way that's easy on your joints. Over time, you'll notice these muscles becoming stronger and more defined. And while the focus is on your legs, cycling doesn't stop there. Keeping yourself balanced on the bike requires core engagement, which works your abdominals and lower back. This means better posture, improved stability, and a stronger overall core. If you've ever struggled with back pain or poor posture from sitting at a desk all day, cycling could be the solution you didn't know you needed. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the physical benefits are just the beginning. Cycling also has a profound impact on your mental health. Exercise is a natural mood booster because it triggers the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain that reduce stress and make you feel happier. That post-workout glow isn't just in your head, it's a real chemical reaction. After a tough day, hopping on the bike can help you let go of stress and refocus your energy. Over time, regular exercise has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, giving you a more positive outlook on life. Cycling also helps with focus and mental clarity. Studies have shown that aerobic exercise improves memory, attention, and overall brain health. It's like giving your brain a workout alongside your body. And let's not forget about sleep. If you've been struggling with restless nights, incorporating 30 minutes of cycling into your daily routine can help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Better sleep means better energy levels, and better energy means more motivation to keep cycling. Beyond the obvious benefits to your heart, muscles, and mind, cycling also does wonders for your metabolic health. One of the biggest perks is improved blood sugar regulation. Regular cycling increases your muscles' ability to absorb glucose, making your body more insulin sensitive. This is particularly important for people managing diabetes or trying to prevent it. Additionally, cycling can improve your cholesterol profile by increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, and lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol. Together, these changes support better long-term health by reducing your risk of cardiovascular diseases. What makes cycling truly unique is its adaptability. You can tailor your workout to your fitness level and goals. If you're just starting out, you can keep the resistance low and focus on building a steady pace. If you're more advanced, you can challenge yourself with high-intensity intervals or crank up the resistance to simulate climbing a hill. The variety keeps things exciting and prevents boredom. Plus, cycling is a low-impact exercise, which means it's gentle on your joints. Unlike running, which can put a lot of stress on your knees and ankles, cycling provides all the benefits of a high-intensity workout without the wear and tear. Over time, the effects of daily cycling go far beyond what you see in the mirror. Your posture improves as your core and back muscles strengthen. Your balance gets better, which can help prevent injuries in your everyday life. And while cycling isn't a weight-bearing exercise, the stronger muscles it builds can support your bones, reducing the risk of falls and fractures as you age. Of course, like any exercise, cycling needs to be done correctly to avoid potential downsides. Overuse injuries, like knee pain, can occur if your bike isn't adjusted properly. Make sure your seat is at the right height so your legs can extend almost fully when pedaling, and keep your knees aligned with your feet. It's also important to listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, take a rest day or mix up your routine with other forms of exercise. At the end of the day, riding an exercise bike for 30 minutes a day is more than just a workout. It's a lifestyle change that benefits your body, your mind, and your future. It's a commitment to better heart health, stronger muscles, improved mental clarity, and more restful sleep. So, if you're looking for a simple, sustainable way to invest in your health, there's no better time to start than today. Hop on that bike, start pedaling, and see where this journey takes you. Your body and your future self will thank you. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.